Hey there, little G's. Today we're talking about positive and negative space and how it's used in design. When we're talking about positive space, we're talking about everything that you've drawn on the page. When we talk about negative space, we're talking about everywhere that you didn't even touch on the page. Now, positive and negative space can be used together, kind of like this logo, where the positive space and the negative space create two different things, like a golfer or a Spartan. And it's kind of cool. Now, when you mix positive and negative space in your artwork, it looks really clever, and it's kind of more interesting that way. I like this one a lot. All right, little G's, grab your pencil, grab yourself something to write on, hopefully a clean sheet of paper. Now it's time for you to draw. What I want you to do is draw an object on the page. Now I want you to pick from the following: either an animal, an automobile, or a character. Anything from TV, movies, or cartoons is fine with me. On this drawing, I want you to leave negative space around the object. When you're done with it, put it aside and grab a new sheet of paper. This time we're going to do it again. Now, this time I want you to draw another object. It doesn't have to be the same object, but I do want you to pick it from the same list. The only difference is, this time, I want you to use the negative space around the object or the character to define it. It can be as easy as shading around some negative space so that the negative space inside defines the object, like this cup or chair. Now, if you're feeling a little more dangerous, you can add a little more shading and a heavy outlining, like this tree. I like it a lot. Now, if you really want to get crazy, you can do something like this where you add lines or geometric shapes to define your negative space. Now, when you're done with both of your works of art, I want you to place them in the PowerPoint slideshow that I've provided for you by taking pictures of them. Now remember to turn them in on time. All right, kids, so that's all you have to do. One with positive space, one with negative space, showing also an object. And then consider it time that you can actually relax and draw while getting a grade. All right, my little G's, take it easy, and I'll see you later.